What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today we're going to teach you guys how to make a cool avocado toast. And I don't know why I kind of was in the mood to make avocado toast, but I want to show you guys how I make up my avocado toast. I'm going to probably do it about 2 ways. One vegetable and one of course steak. Can't be steak, right? So stay tuned guys, let's get started. And we're going to start with beef chuck short ribs. Take it, unpack these right here. I got prime beef short ribs from the chuck cut. So this is what these look like, these bad boys. So what I'm going to do though, I'm going to cut these bad boys in half so it'll be more manageable onto the pan. So I got a little cutting board right to the side over here, using these for, so do a rough cut right here and slowly like so. So it'll be more manageable of course. And you guys want it thinner, just cut right there, and it'll make it more thinner if you guys like. But I'm gonna keep it nice and chunky like this so I can make beautiful slices. Into a bowl, we're gonna make our little rub for our beautiful chuck ribs. So a couple tablespoons of black pepper, a couple tablespoons of garlic powder. Open up a brand new onion powder, and that's gonna be a couple teaspoons as well. 1 tablespoon of ginger, ground ginger, dry. And then we got the Chinese 5 spice. We're gonna add a teaspoon or so. And of course our recipe will be on the description below. And then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can leave this out if you have any like a nut or you're allergic to sesame. Be fine. And what we're doing here is just making a nice paste, like so. Get that marinade. Like so. Just rub it all around. Alright my friends, so we're gonna get a nice cast iron, nice and hot, ripping hot. And then we're gonna use vegetable oil, or any kind of oil you guys want. Give it another couple seconds, regenerate that heat. Back onto the other one. I did 4 pieces. Like so. Now at this point I'm going to add my salt. And also too, once I slice it, I'm going to do a little finishing, a little salt with it. So, pack in the salt. And this leave it there to can't talk. Leave it there to develop that beautiful crust and then flip. Alright my friends, so we're going to take these off and let them rest. So with this though, we're going to add a good handful of baby kale. I'm going to saute that into the fat of the steak. Turn off the heat, cast iron will hold the heat. If you want light sauteed. And then I'm gonna take the sauce, set to the side. This one cook a couple seconds or so, like 20-30 seconds until it wilts. Alright, so we're gonna heat up a pan. My sourdough slice is kind of big, so I'm using a big pan. Get a couple tablespoons of butter. And then lay your sourdough bread there, like that. And then we're gonna get another pan, lots of pans actually, and kind of weigh it down. What this does is create a flat surface and really get that beautiful golden brown crust. Alright my friends, so get avocado, make sure it's ripe. Not too overly ripe, you don't want it too mushy. Move the big old seed out, twist, and by pushing your thumbs like this, like you're pinching it, it'll pop right off your knife. Just be very careful, don't cut this off. So I like getting the wider spoon you can, and then kind of work your way around the sides. Here's a big avocado. There we go. Peel it off. Got it thinly sliced like this. Onto the avocado. So lay this out beautifully. Alright my friends, so we're gonna cut the beautiful steak and then we're gonna see how we did. Ooh, nice little medium. That should have been rare. Nice, you can see that, right? So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this beautiful thing. Like so. Beautiful medium rare. What I like about the short ribs is it have a little bite to it, so it's not totally soft, but it will have a nice, beautiful bite. Flip these around and lay on your toast. Next up, we're gonna add a little salt, like so. Don't forget those wilted, beautiful kale, baby kale. Little scallions. And then we're gonna finish off with a nice drizzle of sesame seed oil. Alright, so we got our vegetables cut right there. As you can see, nice beautiful colors. So, and also to my friends, if you don't like any kind of these vegetables, or you're not too fan of mushrooms or anything I mentioned in this video, always use vegetables you like and it'll work just as fine. So, olive oil, just a couple, so it's like a couple tablespoons or so. Brighten it up with a couple tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. So, season it up with a little bit onion powder. I'm using sumac. This adds another extra brightness to it. If you can't find it, it's totally optional. You don't have to get it, but I like the flavor of it. So it'll be a couple teaspoons or so, or even actually a tablespoon of that. Garlic powder. Can't forget the salt, so salt to taste. And of course, black pepper. The vegetable has that beautiful seasoning. Give it a good smell. Oh, it smells beautiful. Sheet pan, lay your vegetables on. Kind of spread them out evenly so they're kind of touching the pan. And then we're going to put these bad boys in a 375-degree oven for at least probably 10 to 15 minutes. Check on them, and you just want them nice and caramelized, nice good color to them, and somewhat soft. But I don't want to cook them to mush. I like a little bite to my vegetables. But just cook them down. That will take at least 10 to 15 minutes. If it needs longer, give them longer. Alright, in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Next, we're going to season a couple teaspoons of bagel everything seasoning. Lemon in half. Use the half a lemon of the juice. And then we're going to give it a nice stir. Alright friends, so we're going to get this ricotta cheese and we're going to spread it onto the toast, like so. Be kind of generous with it. And you don't like calling it ricotta cheese, you always substitute with cream cheese. Next, we've got these beautiful roasted potatoes, just like that. I like it to have a little bite to them. I don't like them to have all mushy. So we're gonna just lay these vegetables on top, like so. Even the tomatoes I have softened up just enough so it feels like almost like a light, beautiful tomato sauce. Next, we got some fresh parsley. You use any type of green you want. I'm just doing to kind of bring up the colors, like so. Didn't really peel them. I'm gonna chop them up, and then just to kind of add some more flavor to it, some Parmesan shavings. If you have fresh Parmesan like from a block, you can use that just to grate it or shave it like this. This will add some good saltiness to it as well. Alright friends, there you have it. Nice two ways to do toast, you know. So this case you're a meat eater, you could have the steak and avocado toast. Or you guys are a vegetarian, you could go for the vegetable. Either way, they're very delicious. Ultimate way to eat for even for breakfast, brunch, or any time really. So you guys enjoy, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please hit that thumbs button up and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to notify you guys for upcoming new videos. And I will see you guys next time.